folks, I've got some Kasp 40mm locks, Wolfgang Greuxid bought these for me and sent them. Of course I paid for them, but they're made in the UK. They're a little difficult to get here. They're reminiscent of a AL 1100. Hardened shackle, double ball bearing, solid aluminum body, mushroom pins, paracentric keyway. It's like a Yale style. Anti-bump cylinder for maximum protection, it says. Anyway, I got 5 different colors. Got 2 of them out. And of them, this one seems to be the most challenging bitting. Stuff getting under that, let's see, 1, 2, that third one. And anyway, let's put it in the vise here in a second and we'll go ahead and pick it and gut it. I haven't taken one of these apart, so I'll do that too. Be right back. Hey, okay, so I got the Kasp in the vise. This is the 14040. And beautiful shackle pop. That's the bitting low number 3. Have to work off that shelf right there. Gonna use a Chris Capoon tensioner and Jimmy Long's pointed number 1. And heavy tension. So 1 is not binding, neither is 2, neither is 3, or 4. Okay, got a little rotation. 6. Okay. Back to the beginning. 1. Really not getting good feedback out of that pick. This is not as talkative as an AL 1100. Button up on our tension here. 2. There it is. I wish I could talk more through that. I kind of stumbled my way through it, actually. Not very happy with the feedback. I have to practice on these. Try a few more of them. I've not taken these apart, or this one apart, or any of them apart. So let's do that. Ooh. That's really bright. So it takes a Phillips head screwdriver. Good. Decided to use a shim on that because I've never gutted one of these. I don't think I really need to, but okay, so that first pin is an anti-drill. See lots of serrations. Let's get the pins out. Tiny pins like an American lock. But there is 6 of them at least. I thought I saw a review on one of these that said there's a little counter milling. I don't feel it. I don't believe so. Nah. I see something. I see a little counter milling. I think it's insignificant though. Tell me if you disagree. Okay, number 1 is a standard. That explains why the pretty dead feedback there. Two is a spool. Nice little spool. Three is a spool. 4 is a spool. 5 is a spool. Is 6 going to be a really long standard pin? The anti-bump. I just dropped that. Where did it go? Oh. Okay. Got T-pin, tiny little T-pin thing. The anti-bump part. Let's see if it actually, yeah. So it doesn't actually go down in the end of the cylinder. It just rests right there, so you can't bump it. Anti-bump pin. Okay, cool. These are neat. Something different for me. I'm missing a spring. Where is it? Oops. Well, I dropped it somewhere. I'll have to find it. Along with that C-clip that went over there. Oh, here it is. Okay, in for the close-up. I'll leave this out of the picture because it's so bright. So is that key. So nice little serrated key pins where they can get away with it. Some standard on the front, bunch of spools, and an anti-bump. Really a neat little lock. And I'm not showing you much of that, am I? Sorry. Alright, well, thanks for hanging around. If you did this far. And have a great day. See ya.